it off. Mommy's gonna get mad. Turn it off. The wall, but tonight I'm letting it go.
Hey there, my name is Yami. I am your Latina next door, and this is my husband Nelson, also known as the Latino engineer. Together we have been fixing up our 1980s home, and we have been sharing every step of the way with our familia on YouTube, all the while raising our 3 kids. I love creating cozy and beautiful spaces with a smaller budget and using what I have, the little bit of knowledge that I know, and of course, some paint. I am able to transform some amazing spaces. And I love sharing with you absolutely everything by explaining, showing, and creating so that you can do this as well. My husband and I work very hard, yet we tend to have a lot of fun along the way.
So when I got the hat on backwards, it means all business.
What is he saying? What's
Forward,
going on in here?
all smiles. Backwards, all business.
And if you didn't know, we do everything together. I design, and he helps me pull it off. And oftentimes, our projects are a full family affair. And I share everything here on YouTube because I want you to know that you can do it too. My husband and I are self-taught. We learn as we go, and we share our mistakes as well as our successes. We try to be as informative as possible. We share lots of tips and tricks. And we throw in the occasional laugh so that you can enjoy. But see, throughout all these DIYs, home renovations, and special projects, my husband and I got to thinking, and we got to talking. And then we found ourselves on the road in search for something. You see, these past 2 years have taught us a lot of things. One of them being that the path that my husband and I first started off on when we first got married is not the same path that we are traveling now. We have grown a bit in the past 12 years that we have been married, and we've learned the things that we don't want and have rather turned to the things that we need. And for the past couple of years, God has been guiding us, leading us to something different, turning our hearts around 180 degrees and taking us back to our roots and how our families first started. We found ourselves being called to the country and living a simpler life. And for the past few months, we have been in search of something big. And we finally signed on the dotted line, and we are so excited for what's ahead.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go.
And see, we have opened the gates to a brand new project. Land of ours that we can pass down to our children. Land that we can cultivate and grow from it. Land that we can use for ourselves for so many different things. And we are so excited. And so soon we will start our biggest project yet. We have found our little piece of heaven on earth, and we cannot wait to make it our own. We are at the beginning of this journey, and we have a good ways to go, but we want to bring you along and share everything from transitioning from our home now to building a new homestead on this property and sharing every single thing that it will entail to make it happen.
Blow the smoke through my cigarette.
I will still be sharing DIYs, furniture makeovers, and even look for less dupes on this channel. I will just be doing it with a little bit more purpose.
One stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make
But this journey won't be just about creating a beautiful home. It's about taking risks and learning new things, organizing our lives to make it a little bit more simpler, and trying out new techniques and things that we've never done before. Because I want to show that we all have the power to do amazing things, but never forgetting the sweet moments and why it is that we are doing what we're doing. We hope to bring families together as we inspire them to achieve their dreams. The question now is, are you ready to join us on our new adventure?
me. No, nothing can break me.
Don't hurt yourself.
Alright. Big ass mattress versus Superman.
Take two.
Purple mattress versus Superman, take 3. By the way, this is like the 3rd time I've tried to pick this up.
Daddy dropped the mattress. It's okay.
Gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.